Welcome to the Learning Summit podcast, where we unpack the latest insights in learning, technology, and workplace innovation. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into one of the hottest skills professionals need to master: how to prompt AI effectively at work. Joining me is Sean Gilligan, founder of Webanywhere and an expert in digital learning. Sean, welcome.
Thanks, Alex. AI is transforming the workplace, and knowing how to prompt AI properly is a skill that will soon be as essential as using email.
So Sean, let's start with the basics. Why is learning how to prompt AI so important for professionals today?
AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, Claude, and others are only as good as the prompts you give them. If you ask vague, poorly structured questions, you'll get generic, unhelpful responses. But with the right prompting techniques, AI becomes a powerful assistant helping with research, automation, content creation, and decision-making. It's a skill gap that many professionals don't even realize they have.
That makes sense. So where do most people go wrong when using AI at work?
The biggest mistake. They treat AI like a Google search rather than a collaborative tool. AI doesn't just fetch results, it synthesizes, creates, and refines information based on what you ask. People also tend to be too brief in their prompts, or worse, too ambiguous.
Know you've talked about a 3-stage framework for AI prompting: beginner, proficient, and fluent. Can you walk us through that?
Sure, most professionals today are stuck in the beginner stage. They're learning to use AI but don't fully understand its nuances. Let me break it down. Beginner level is where people start. They type in simple commands, often getting inconsistent results because they don't understand how to guide AI effectively. They may also enter prompts without structure, leading to vague or irrelevant responses. Proficient level is where users begin structuring their prompts better, using step-by-step breakdowns, clarifications, and context setting to get more useful responses. They start using AI for work-related tasks like drafting emails, summarizing documents, or generating insights. Fluent level is where people interact with AI as if they were managing an employee. They know how to frame prompts for creativity, precision, and customization. They also leverage AI for more complex tasks like strategic decision-making, scenario planning, and process automation.
That's a great way to frame it. What's one key shift that helps people move from beginner to proficient?
Stop assuming AI knows everything. Always provide context. For example, instead of saying, "Write me an email about our new product," say, "Write a concise, persuasive email for marketing professionals introducing our new AI-powered analytics tool, focusing on automation benefits." That added detail changes everything.
Let's talk about the elephant in the room: AI privacy. People don't always realize that entering confidential company or client data into a public AI tool can be a huge risk. What's the issue here?
That's a critical point, Alex. Many employees don't understand that when they enter sensitive data into public AI models, like ChatGPT's free version, it gets processed and can't be considered private. If you enter client names, financial details, or strategy documents, you might be exposing confidential information.
That's scary. So how should companies approach AI usage safely?
First, never enter sensitive company or client data into an open AI model. If your organization uses AI, opt for enterprise-grade solutions with data protection measures in place. Second, train employees on what's safe to enter and what's not. AI should be a productivity booster, not a security liability.
That's a great point. What about companies that want to use AI but don't know how to establish these security policies?
Start by creating an AI usage policy that outlines what employees can and cannot input into AI models. Use internal AI tools that keep data within the organization rather than public models. And most importantly, educate employees about the risks so they don't unknowingly expose sensitive data.
All right, Sean, let's get tactical. What are 3 actionable tips that people can use today to improve their AI prompts?
Absolutely. Here are my top 3. Be specific but not too narrow. Instead of asking, "Give me sales strategies," say, "Provide 3 sales strategies for B2B SaaS companies looking to improve lead conversion." Give AI a role. You get better results when you say, "You are a sales strategist." What recommendations would you give a startup? This provides AI with direction. Use iteration. Don't settle for the first response. Ask, "Can you refine this?" or make it more engaging. Think of AI as a collaborator, not just a tool.
Those are great tips. So rather than treating AI as a black box, it's about guiding it with clear instructions, just like you would a new employee.
Exactly. The better you are at prompting, the more useful AI becomes.
Are there specific industries where mastering AI prompts is particularly valuable?
Yes, in marketing for content creation and campaign planning, in HR for resume screening and employee engagement, in sales for lead generation and follow-ups, and in education for tutoring and personalised learning. The applications are endless.
All right, Sean, we've covered a lot today. What's the one key takeaway you want listeners to remember?
AI is only as powerful as the questions you ask it. Learn to prompt well, and artificial intelligence becomes a game changer at work. And remember, never enter private or sensitive data into public AI models.
That's crucial advice. And if listeners want to improve their AI prompting skills or explore AI solutions for work, where should they go?
Visit Webanywhere.com. We provide AI learning strategies.